Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your spray or gestures right in your Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. Now the first thing you want to do is just be in Warzone and then just click here to barracks, and then you're gonna see here identity, and you're gonna see here gestures and sprays, and you're gonna have, like, if you buy something, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. But these are also the sprays that you can have. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.